Are you curious about this mister? Are you even more curious why I have this blue bin sitting on the counter? So here's my thing. This mister is ideal for water features and that kind of stuff around your house, but I'm gonna use it for a Halloween decoration, right? So it's gonna be a temporary setup. I'm gonna use a big bin like this, fill it with water, and then all you do is you take the mister. It's got 2 floats on either side. You simply put it in the water and you adjust it down so the sensor should be, oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. I did not think that would work that well. That is ridiculous. I had this whole thing planned. I was gonna have to get another camera, sit here, wait a little while, all this kind of stuff. But is this not absolutely perfect for a Halloween thing? Or a water feature somewhere in your house? This is, you know, by the pool or whatever. So freaking cool. So there's only one thing to do. First, put a comment down below. Let me know how it is you're intending to use this, where you're going to use it, what, all that kind of stuff, something creative like me. Put it in the comments. Let's have a conversation. Have you ever used a mister like this before? I am blown away, obviously, didn't plan for this. There's actually, if you're interested, there's going to be a link right below. You can just click it and purchase it. Otherwise, there will definitely be in the description a link there. You can do that. Proof positive how well it works instantly. I hope this was helpful. It was helpful for me. I'm excited for Halloween. I'll see you next time.